My name is Squadron Leader Ruth Shackleton and I am presently the Team Manager for the Royal Air Force Aerobatic Team, the Red Arrows. The Red Arrows is the most famous display team in the world. The full title is the Royal Air Force Aerobatic Team. It was founded in 1964 and it was a culmination of 3 different display teams. The team as a whole, it consists of 120 personnel, and that is made up of 9 display pilots, a commentator, photographers, logisticians, engineers, administrators, and we are fairly self-contained in order so that we can perform in over 10 countries around the world each year. Our display season begins in May and it continues till October. Predominantly our displays are in the United Kingdom, however we do tours abroad, and in 2013 we toured 10 countries throughout the Middle East in a period of 35 days. The displays are a series of formations and manoeuvres that last in the region of 20 minutes. The first half of a display is sweeping formations made up of 9 aircraft. The second half of the display is a lot more dynamic and a lot more fast-paced, and that's where you'll get the synchro-pair and the mid-air manoeuvres that you almost think they're going to touch. We are famous for the display. People try and replicate us throughout the world. The pilots are indeed the very finest pilots that the Royal Air Force have. There is very few people that could fly in such close proximity at such high speeds, and so they are extremely professional in what they do, and it takes an awful lot of practice and dedication to get to that level. They've generally been in the Air Force up to 11 to 12 years. They have had to have flown 1,500 fast jet flying hours. They have to be above average, which sounds very ordinary, but I can assure you that it's the very best we have. My role in the Red Arrows is that I'm the team manager. That involves me being responsible for everything non-flying related. So if you can envisage moving a display team of this size around both the UK and abroad, it takes an awful lot of logistics and coordination. That is one of my roles. I am also responsible for the marketing and PR aspects of the team, and I also am the corporate liaison for all our corporate sponsors. It is a very broad role. No 2 days are the same. Some days I might be speaking to the royal household, other days I'm speaking to school children. It is from the strategic to the operations to the tactical levels, and it's a huge, very, very demanding role, and I'm very privileged to be able to do it. Many people would want to be in the role I'm in. I take it extremely seriously, and I think it's a great honour to both represent my country, the Royal Air Force, and to be part of such a famous team that is renowned throughout the world. And no matter what gender, what race, what nationality, people have heard of the Red Arrows. And it's rather like a Red London bus, or it's rather like the Queen. We're a British institution, and to be the team manager for that institution is a once in a lifetime.